Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today, you will be writing a poem about spring. You'll be using this template where you notice that there are words in boxes all around for you to use in your poem. I want to show you how to use the words and what happens if there is no word that you need. So this poem is called Spring. So I'm going to grab this word, spring, and bring it to where I will place my title, which is there. My first sentence in this poem is going to be, I see rain clouds. So I'm going to look for the word I, which is here, and I'm going to grab it and place it here. My next word is going to be see, so I have to look for the word see, which is here, and I'm going to grab it and place it here. And then it says rain. So I know on this side is all of the words I need for to talk about spring, and all these are my sight words. So I'm going to go over here. I found rain. I'm going to say, put rain here. I see rain. Now I'm going to look for the word clouds. Okay, so I see cloud, but I don't see clouds. So I'm going to fix it. I'm going to drag this over just a little bit to give me some space. And then I'm going to type in the S. I see rain clouds. My second sentence will be, I hear birds chirping. If you notice, my I is missing, so I don't have another I. So if you look down on the far right, you'll see some empty boxes. So I'll click on the first box because it's small enough to put I, and I'll drag it up here. And then I can type the letter I in there. So now I can go on to the next one. I hear. So I'm going to go over and see if I see here. I'm looking at all my H's. I don't see any word here. I'm going to look over here. I see here, but this here means right here. That doesn't mean here as in I hear it with my ears. So I'm going to go down again. I'm going to grab a blank one, and I'm going to type the word hear, H-E-A-R. So I hear birds chirping. So come over here where the letter B is. I see the word bird, but I need birds. So I'm going to type in an S for birds. And the last one is chirping. Would chirping be here? Well, I see chirp. So all I have to do is add ing for chirping. So I'm going to drag it out a little bit to make it bigger. And then I'm going to click inside the box so I see that blinking indicator, and I'm going to write ing. I hear birds chirping. Wonderful. So the next sentence says, butterflies and stools, few days left of school. So I'm going to look for the word butterfly. I see butterfly, but it's not correct because it doesn't start with a capital letter. So I'm going to change that, make it a capital B. And it says butterflies, and I know when I'm spelling butterflies, I got to get rid of that Y and write I-E-S. But notice that it did that weird smashy thing. I don't want that. So I'm going to pull this out a little bit so that it can flatten out. So birds, butterflies, stools. I don't think I'm going to find the word stools here. Am I going to find the word stools as stools? No. But I noticed that all of my blank ones are going really quickly, and I don't want to lose all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it till it turns blue like this. Then I'm going to right click on it and go to where it says copy. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. So notice another one popped up. So I'm going to take that one now, and I'm going to type in the word stools because I didn't see stools over there. So S-T-O-O-L-S. There's my stools. So butterfly, stools, few days left of school. So few, let's go over this side. Few, no few. And over here, F, no few. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it again so I can have extra ones. So this one has the word few. Butterfly, stools, few days. Let me look for the word days. Please be here, days. No days over this side. What about this side? Days, no days. So once again, copy, right click on this. Oh, sorry. Right click, copy, then paste. Then I'm going to grab that again and bring it up here. So it says few days, put days of. I hope of is over here. Is it? S-I-F, that's it. Oh, there you go, of. Few days. It's not dragging. Come on, drag with me. Thank you. Few days of. Oh, I've got left. So I'm going to move that over until I find the word left. So let's see, left. No left. No, I don't see left. L. I see life. No. What about over here? Left. No. So I'm going to do it again. Click on it. And I'm going to copy and paste. Then I'm going to drag it right in between days because I want to write up. I'm going to move this over. Move this over. So days. So left of, and then my last word is going to be school. So I just want to fix that. So let's see if I can find school. I don't see school. Over here, school. Let's see, she, no school. So once again, I'm going to copy and paste, and then I'm going to drag it up and type in the word school. Now, I'm not going to finish my entire poem with you because it'll take too long. So as I keep going and I notice that I don't have words, I can always just copy and paste one of the blank boxes and type in my new words in. But so far, this is what my poem is. It says, spring, I see rain clouds, I hear birds chirping, butterflies, stools, few days left of school. And so far, that's what my poem looks like. I hope you enjoy. Talk to you later.